Now there are some theorems on Cauchy sequences that says let Fn and Gn be two Cauchy sequences, then their sum will be a Cauchy sequence, their difference will also be a Cauchy sequence, their product will also be a Cauchy sequence, and if Fn is unequal to 0, then 1 upon Fn is also a Cauchy sequence. Now here the question is, we are given two sequences An and Bn. Now this An is this summation k varies from 1 to n, k upon k plus 1 whole square. Now what we'll do is, we'll add 1 and subtract 1. We can write An as this summation k varies from 1 to n, 1 upon k plus 1, and then minus summation k varies from 1 to n, 1 upon k plus 1 square. Now we know that harmonic sequences 1 upon n to the power p, they are convergent if p is greater than 1, and they are divergent if p is less than or equal to 1. So for this one, summation 1 upon k plus 1, it is not a convergent sequence. So it is not a Cauchy sequence. And 1 upon k plus 1 square will be a Cauchy sequence. So this first sequence is not Cauchy, and the second sequence is a Cauchy sequence. That means this An, it is not a Cauchy sequence. So this An, it is not a Cauchy sequence. Now what about Bn? We can write this Bn as this summation k varies from 0 to n, ck and r to the power k, where mod ck is less than or equal to m. Now it will always be less than or equal to this summation mod ck r to the power k. Now it will be less than or equal to m into summation r to the power k. So it will be m 1 minus r to the power n upon 1 minus r, and since r lies between minus 1 and plus 1, so it will be less than m upon 1 minus r. Now this mod Bn, it is less than m upon 1 minus r. So this sequence will be a Cauchy sequence. So answer to this question is, An is not a Cauchy sequence, but Bn is a Cauchy sequence, and that's your option C.